In this section, I'm just going to clean my controller up and make some small changes to have right endpoints and finish. Let's have a look. First of all, these comments should be deleted. That's all. Then I want to go through my controller and check everything. First of all, get all. Get method. It's fine. Search by ID. Working fine. But what is this? This action filter does nothing, so should be removed. Search is fine. Thank you so much. I created a new one, create car, and if I go to the repository, kind of repository that we have, I tried to add car info to this list, which doesn't work properly, but since we do not have any ORM or such things, it's fine. And then returns the car info. So it's here. Let me explain something. In previous sections, I said dealing with the entity directly outside of my domain is very bad. It's fishy. But here I did that. Since things here would change a lot, accept it for time being, but in real project, never do that. The easier thing is that you can create another request for adding, like what I did for search, and use it here. Never use your entity model inside something like a controller or anywhere outside of your domain. For update, which is HTTP put, again, I have something to play a role as update in my repository. I should find and then change the properties, which I didn't do for all the properties because they are the same, and then just return a single car. So this is put. For delete, I should search by an ID and delete it from the list. These things now are not real, but I'm just trying to show you how to deal with endpoints. So now everything is fine. Everything is ready to continue learning. I have all the endpoints that I need, but as I said, since I am not dealing with any ORM and database, I am not connected to any database, I am just mimicking everything and trying to show you just the endpoints. Later on, we're gonna add all the things that we need. Okay, so now I can say it's a start for us to go through the rest of the things that we can add and we can do to have a real ASP.NET Web API project. So far, I can say you have seen whatever you need to have just endpoints, and it's very good. It's perfect. Even if you open a very big project, if you find something in GitHub, you can see that it follows the same things. You won't be that screwed. Even by watching section 17, you can count on yourself to understand big projects. The rest would be some things to make my APIs better or cleaner, or they would be some underlying things to implement some design patterns or domain-driven design or such things. In terms of creating a simple endpoint, even so far, you are okay. You know whatever you should know. Continue learning, continue watching this course to learn more and more. Thank you so much.